Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is fried chicken liver salad. It's one of those salads that you think won't make sense, but it does, and all the ingredients work together so beautifully. You can also choose to keep the chicken livers on the side if you're serving this to a vegetarian guest, and it would still taste delicious. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and save, and in the description box as well. Starting out with the marinade in a bowl, we are going to mix in salt, black pepper, dried parsley, oregano, minced garlic, minced onions, and paprika or smoked paprika as I used, and add in 1 or 2 splashes of olive oil and mix them well before adding in the chicken liver and mixing those well with the marinade. Cover and set aside. While the livers are marinating, we're going to prepare our coating mix and everything else. We've got about a cup of all-purpose flour. Pay no attention to the other bowl of flour that was for another recipe. We have to season the flour too, so we're adding in paprika, black pepper, salt, and if you like, you can add a pinch of garlic powder too. I added in some more paprika, black pepper, and oregano as well because I wanted it to be packed with flavor. Now we'll start chopping up our walnuts. You can serve big chunks, but I prefer to have smaller pieces. Next, start mixing your spinach and arugula. You can switch out the arugula with lettuce or any other leafy green you prefer, but I find that arugula and rucola add so much more character to the salad. Sprinkle in your freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Please avoid using the powdered processed Parmesan cheese. Instead, use a fresh block. It is so much better. Then sprinkle in your walnuts and let's begin with the dressing. I like to have 2 dressings in there. The first one is sort of a thinned out honey mustard sauce, which I'm making here with mayo yogurt, deli mustard and honey. And the second is a Balsamic Reduction Glaze, which I bought from the supermarket. Don't forget to taste your dressing to see if you want to change anything. Start assembling your salad now because all that's left is the chicken livers. Don't forget to add in slices of green apple to your salad. Add as many or as little as you want. They're absolutely refreshing, so don't skip them. Finally, I'm going to dump the flour mixture onto the chicken livers and mix. Then, in a hot pan, we're going to fry the pieces for 3 to 4 minutes. Chicken livers cook quickly because they're small and also they're livers. They don't cook the same as the other types of meat. Putting them in for longer than that may dry them out. Once done, set them aside on a kitchen towel to drain the oil and slightly cool them down before adding them to our salad. Only put dressing on the salad you plan on eating right away. For the bigger bowl that was meant for my family, I kept the dressing on the side. I don't want all the ingredients to get all soggy before they even get to enjoy the salad. And everyone has their own preference of how much or how little dressing they want to put, so I leave that up to them. Thanks for making it this far in the video, and I hope you give this recipe a try if you're a chicken liver fan. I'm sure you're going to love it. And as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!